Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Trainerize YouTube channel. As you know, this is a place where personal trainers and fitness professionals can level up their business. In this video, we're going to be talking about fitness challenges and why they're a great way to stir up some business and motivate more potential clients. So first of all, what is a fitness challenge? So fitness challenges come in many shapes and sizes, but they have a few different things in common. So the first thing they might have in common is there's a specific outcome or goal. So perhaps that goal is to rack up a certain amount of steps, maybe it's to lose a certain amount of pounds, or maybe it is to run a certain distance every day. Whatever the theme of your challenge, the next thing that it will need is a duration. So a challenge could be a 7-day challenge, it could be a 2-week, 3-week, month-long, or even 6-month challenge. The sky's the limit, and it really depends on the theme of your challenge. The next thing is that your fitness challenge will have specific rules. So what activities do clients need to achieve during this time in order to participate? Finally, challenges will have results that are tracked in some way and measured, and it has to be fun. So ideally, whatever challenge you're setting up is motivating and maybe has a goal in mind. So let's say a summer boot camp, where every week your participants do a morning workout all throughout the summer. It's motivating, it has a specific amount of time, your clients know what they have to do, and it's a great way to get them involved. While we're on the topic, some other challenge ideas could involve nutrition or habit tracking. It doesn't just need to be specifically like fitness focused, like your challenge doesn't have to be grueling or, run 10 miles every day. It could just be small lifestyle tweaks, and the people in the challenge are able to then hold themselves accountable as well as the other people in that group. So it is a great bonding activity, but we're going to talk about that a little bit more later. Okay, so why are fitness challenges important? Well, first of all, they break up people's routine. It's a good way to get someone into a new routine or just shake things up to make it a little bit more interesting. Also, they generally improve people's satisfaction with working out because it gives them a very specific goal, and because it's on a shorter timeline, they know that they've either achieved that thing or they haven't. But also, as a trainer, it's a great way to promote your services, because to get someone to buy into a shorter term challenge is a lot easier than just saying, hey, start fitness for life. That can feel very daunting, but if you have a 2-week challenge to get someone's feet in the water, now that is a much easier sell. And then once they do a 2-week challenge, it's much easier to upsell them on more training because they're already starting to get into that habit of doing a particular activity every day or every however often. So it's a great entry-level thing to attract and retain new clients. So when you're setting up your fitness challenge, these challenges can either be independent or group activities. Group challenges are really nice because people will encourage each other and hold one another accountable. When you're kind of just working out by yourself, it's easy to lose motivation, but if you know there's 15 other people involved in a specific challenge and they're gonna be there and they're expecting you to show up, then it's easier to stay engaged. In the Trainerize app, you can also have a group chat, which is a great way to help people, be posting their stats, sharing that they actually worked out with each other, or, maybe calling each other out when they didn't. We actually have some other really exciting features for groups launching. So we're going to be incorporating gamification to your challenges on the app. This includes leaderboards as well as some fun visuals that will just really help set rules and help people structure their challenges and help clients compete with each other on the app in a more engaging way. Once you think of the structure of your challenge, you can start to think about some of the other details. So, for example, is it a weight loss challenge? Are people measuring their success by the amount of pounds they're losing collectively as a group or maybe independently? Or is it a family challenge? That could also be a really encouraging way for people to sign up with friends or to sign up with loved ones to hold each other accountable, even more than just strangers in a group. Charity events are another great way to set up a challenge because there is a greater cause attached to what they're doing. So it's not just about going to the gym to, get a sweat on, it's about giving back to a good cause. And for some people, that extra bit of motivation can be really enticing in terms of keeping them on board with their workout program. Now, the next thing to consider is when you're putting together a challenge, do you want to make it competitive? So another great motivator is competition. Obviously, we're all in a race with our own best version of our own best self, but If you're also in a competition with all these other people in the group, that is going to be a kick in the pants for some people to go the extra mile because they want to win. So this is something to keep in mind when you're planning your challenge. You can measure these challenges once again by things like pounds lost or distance walked, could be distance run, could be number of reps completed per day. So whatever the parameters are, make sure you're thinking that through. Now, if you do decide to structure your challenge as more of a personal challenge, there are a few approaches to take with this. One way that you can structure a personal challenge is setting up habit streaks. Now, short-term challenges are great, but habits are something that you're trying to build into the routine of somebody's daily life indefinitely, so without end. So if you're using this challenge to kind of jumpstart people's parlay into fitness, this could be a great idea. Some of the habits that you could do include things like a daily run streak or a push-up challenge. Those can lead to fast progress and could be motivating. Also, smaller things like going for a walk every day for at least a half an hour. Or perhaps it is doing 25 reps of something every morning. Admittedly, I myself do 25 reps of something every day, and it has really helped me just feel like a more active person, even if I'm not actively going to the gym during that time. So it's these little mental tricks that you can help use to stack the deck for your client's success. If you want to learn how to build a fitness challenge in the Trainerize platform, stay tuned for our next video where we break it down with a quick and easy tutorial. Also, I just want to remind everyone here that if you're not already a Trainerize user, we do have a 7-day free trial for anyone who wants to try the software. It's an awesome way to manage your clients, sell digital programs, send workouts, as well as coach other things like nutrition, habits, and more. So yeah, check out that free 7-day trial. It'll be linked below. If you're already on Trainerize, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this community. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All right, everybody, we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.